Okay, here in front of us is an infinite spreadsheet. As you can see, there's a cells, and this cells can page by page go to infinity. And you see that the cells are empty now, but we can go to input and input all the data that's relevant to this calculation. The inputs are all inclusive. Another way, it takes into consideration all the factors which affect the price or the rate of return. And mathematically, we relate them rigorously, and use these inputs we can derive at the final variable. In this case, it's the price. So we have input, we want to change something, we can go in one of this block and change it. Let's say vacancy, we can change it to 1. Then we go from 0 to 1. After we have to change everything, we can go back to the output. Okay, we click on calculate, and it will give us all the data. Okay, this is an infinite spreadsheet. If you click on another year, it will give you the next year, all the way to infinity. And every one of these prices here, they are calculated prices. As we input, we put 12% rate of return, the final column, and they come out to be 12%. So what we do and what we input and what we output are mathematically consistent to infinity. Also, this program allows you to click to input by amount. Click net income growth. You can input the percentage increase, or you can input the amount. If you have the radio click on the radio button, click to input, you will go down to, you can go down to the lower end. You can see that you can input by the amount, not just. So this allows you to input for, let's see, for 99, for 100 years. So you can have 100 years of time varying input, and this will calculate for you. So if you want to change something, you change back to 0, and you go back here and you recalculate. Okay, give you immediately another price. So this is the infinite spreadsheet, which will be able to translate all the input you gather from Industry 4.0 to give you a price. And another thing that this program, this infinite spread can do, is to calculate the stock price. The stock price become reliable in 2016 when Wall Street moved from New York to Silicon Valley, and all the industrial CEOs, they demand accurate inputs. Once the input become accurate and the output turned out to be very reliable since 2016. So our company, Poulson Institute, is able to predict stock prices quite reliably, except in material and mineral and gold. So we're not able to predict the oil companies because the data are still not reliable. So here we have calculate that the price has gone, the rate of return. Okay, this is the Tesla last year. Okay, it says Tesla has a rate of return of 128%. And if you look up Tesla chart from last year to this year, it has increased about that much. And we can go back to the spreadsheet, and let me show you industry 6.0. Okay, industry